So this past weekend was my birthday. I'm 26, guys. 26 and single. So yeah, today's video is all on my birthday. I had a dinner with all my friends and family. I was so happy to have them all with me, celebrating with me the celebration of my bachelor's. No, not the bachelor's, guys. My master's degree, and I'm gonna show you what I got. Okay, first I'm gonna show you what I got for me myself, which I'm so good with deals. So I went to Ulta to get my free gifts. You know, if you follow me, you know, like I always go to Ulta. Like I've been going to Ulta and Sephora for so long to get my free gift. So I went to Ulta, and this was this free gift for July. I don't know how long it's for. And as you can see, it says happy birthday. It says you deserve it. So it's mascara from It Cosmetics. I think I have that. I think I actually have this mascara. Well, I have so many mascaras, guys, but I think I have this one. But I don't mind. It's free. It's good for traveling. So that's the free gift. Then, you know, on your birthday, you get a $10 off coupon. And I was like, I'm gonna use this. And I had, I don't even know how many points I had. Let me see. I can't tell you how many points I had on. I had like $20-something in points accumulated, and this year haven't bought no Ulta, like at all. This was my first purchase since like January, and I'm trying to catch up so I can have my Ultimate Rewards. So because I now have a Sephora JCPenney card, so I've been going to Sephora more online, and you get in 2 days free shipping, so I don't know, whatever. So I went and I got the Urban Decay Petite Heat. So this is kind of like, I have like all the Naked palettes, the big one, and I have a small one for Naked too, but I don't have this Heat palette. I didn't want to buy the whole thing, so I just bought this, like the little small one. So I'm gonna show you guys. Oops, the other side. And this is how it looks. And these are the colors. Super beautiful. I feel like it's like very sunny. It's just like heat. Like you see it, it's like heat. Very, very different from the other one I have. The other one I have, it's like whites and browns. So this one is more like on the sunset side. Like I don't know. I really love it. And the original price for this is $29. You guys are gonna see how much I paid. And I also bought this highlighter from Morphe. Now that Morphe is on Ulta, so I bought this highlighter, which I saw and I was in love. It's like a gold color. Let's show you a swatch. See, you see that gold? It's like awesome. Super nice. I love it. Like I saw it, and you know, when I grabbed it, I grabbed the wrong one, and I went back and switched it because this is the one I wanted, the gold one. And this is like $14. So for these two items, I had the $10 off, so $14.29. I had the $10 off, so that was straight out of that just caught up some money, and I had the $20-something. So with all for these two items, I paid $10. It was 10. I'm gonna show you guys. It was 10.07. I can really show you guys. I don't know if you see it. Somewhere there it says 10.07. So that's it. Oh, there's the palette. Jeez. It survived. That's it. That's what I got from Ulta, guys. That's me myself. Then I went to Sephora and got my free gift. They had the Glam Glow Hello Sexy. They have the Super Mod, which is the clearing treatment, and the Mega Illuminating Moisturizer. So that's what I got from Sephora. Now I'm gonna show you all the stuff I got from my friends and family, and I'm gonna show you guys now. So this is from a special friend, Jessica. She put like candy inside. Candy. Not healthy, but she bought this watch for me, and I loved it. Super, super nice. All I got for my birthday and graduation. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much. And her friend, her cousin, kind of like match everything. So for me to use it with the watch, which is these earrings. It's also this bracelet, super, super nice. And this necklace, super, super nice. Thank you so much. Her name is Jessica too. So that's gift number 2. Let's see. Gift number 3. This was Friday. This was given on my birthday. This is from Waleska. She gave me this necklace with earrings. Love that. It's like very summery. It's like a peach kind of color. Thank you. Next one, I got a gift card from my friends. Thank you. It's a $25 gift card. Of course, it's gonna spend on makeup or shoes, but that's a gift card. And then another gift I have is one of my friends from high school. She knows me really well. Look what she gave me. She gave me 2 palettes for makeup. This is Revolution, makeup Revolution. I love the colors, and she gave me 2 lip liners. Yeah, lip pencils. Yeah, she gave me 2 lip pencils here. She knows me so well, guys. Like, if you know me and you hung out with me, you have to really know what I like. Like, I like shoes, I like clothes, and I like makeup. And that's it. Just give me that, and I'm happy. And I think that's it. I think my balloons that I got, and they're still alive, guys. They've like since Saturday, and today is Thursday. They're still alive. So I got the 2 balloons for my friend. I also got roses from my friend and my nephew. They're over there in the water, but that's it. That's all I have. That's all I had for my birthday. I also got, like, on my job, they gave me a gift card too. So I'm really, really happy with you guys. Really happy that everybody enjoyed my day. Everybody was enjoying with me this achievement, my graduation, 26th birthday. So blessed to have these special people in my life. So that's it, guys, and thank you for watching. That's it, because no more videos. And if you want to see how I do my hair, this is not like, I washed my hair yesterday and I wrapped it today, but I was like trying to do it really fast. This is not the way I do my hair. But if you want to see how I do my hair with Diva Curl products, just like and comment below. Just hashtag Diva Curl, okay? Thank you, and I'll see you next time.